Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Plastic kitchen items can shrink or warp in the dishwasher due to high heat. Wooden utensils often crack because they absorb water and dry unevenly. Non-stick coatings may degrade, and lightweight items can flip or bend during the cycle. To keep your kitchenware safe, always check for dishwasher-safe labels and avoid washing delicate plastics or wood in the dishwasher.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.